Good morning, Victoria. So, first of all, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Cahyani Mardhatillah, but you can call me Julia. I am 18 years old and I'm student college of Stipram University in Yogyakarta. And then I want to introduce to you one food and one drink of Lombok in Indonesian. So the name is of the food is Plecing Kangkung, and the name of the drink is bird's nest ice. Plecing Kangkung usually also served with additional vegetables such as bean sprouts, string beans, fried peanuts, and Europe's created spicy coconut dressing. Outside Lombok, Plecing Kangkung is also commonly served in neighboring island Bali. Then I want to tell you about the drink. And the drink is called fresh bird's nest ice. The simple, special, and delicious swallows nest recipe. Fresh bird's nest ice is most delicious drunk during the fasting month of Ramadan as an opening drink to break the fast, and is also best enjoyed in hot weather during the day because it's so refreshing. Bird's nest ice is still a type of fresh drink that is very complete in terms of the ingredients used. There are seaweed, chef gelatin or jellies, nata de coco, sweet milk, cornea syrup, pure sugar water for add sweetener, and can of fruits, and add more shelled sweet corn, and may also add other fresh ingredients such as basil, seed, and many more. And then I want to tell you how to make the bird's nest ice of Lombok. First step, arrange all of the ingredients in an ice glass or bowl, and then add the ice cubes in it. And then it's ready to be served. Thank you very much. Do you have any question? Still not? Or do you have? Okay. Thank you very much for accompanying me to doing this meetup. So sorry for this so many false. I'm sorry if I got wrong. And then thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Goodbye. Most delicious drunk during no. Inaxis Europe created spicy coconut dressing. No.